Hi, this video will show you how to redirect the website which is written in without HTTPS from HTTP to HTTPS. So when you have this one, a small address, in this case it's my website, and if you type in there the former leading stuff, HTTP, then it should lead finally to the secure socket layer, which is HTTPS. Most examples will show you a rule which I also have taken, which says, okay, make a redirect and write in there HTTP host and then R1 as the final stuff. And when you check this on your Google Chrome, then it will work, but it doesn't work, and that's the most important stuff. It doesn't work on the Internet Explorer. So in my case it works because I changed something there. Now when I click on there, so I've entered here the where is it? I have written in there, let's say this one, no, not this one, details, let's say this one, and then the final address with details, let's say as page number 6. So the site switches on there, and as you see, it keeps this switches to HTTPS, and it also takes the short web form of the ASPX file extension, and the page itself will be lost when you take the former this example, which is always written in most examples in on the websites. So what you take there is this one. Now I'm at my web server, and in my web server I've inserted this small rule which says, okay, redirect HTTP // so whenever the pattern happens, whenever there is no HTTP in there, then it should do the action redirect permanent as 301, and then it should write HTTPS, that's okay, and then the host, which is the website itself, it's like this one, and then URL, and URL is this one, it's the website itself, the site, the page, and including the parameters. And so when you add this one, then you will be at the right side, and you have to check these addresses also on all 3 machines, because they work in a different way. So when we do the same here, because they have always a cache inside, the browser has a cache, and it doesn't show at the first moment. So you have to take separate different pages, separate pages of your site. So HTTP, and this is my this one, and now my page, the detail page is detail without ASPX. We don't need this, but it will be shortened in there, detail, and then the question mark, and which says D is, for example, 1000. So details, like this one, because the page itself has to be written in the right way. Otherwise there will come an error. But important is that the URL implements the entire block, and not only beginning from the query. So, and you will find this block there when you go to your website, and inside your website, you click on your website, and then you will have a URL rewrite on there. And when you click on there, you will find some rules. You may implement a new rule, and there you would say, okay, an empty rule, and now all the stuff comes up. Test one, and then you say, okay, now this is written in Germany. Let's say, what was it? This one. Most examples suggest this one, and then you should have here in your redirect, this is in German, everything is written in here in German, and then you have to page in on those most examples the HTTP. What did I write there? This one. It's always the this website, the website Internet Information Server. This block is nothing else than the stuff in your config, web config. Include this block into your web config, into rules, sub block of the rewrite, and then you are on the right side.